Come back! Come back! Oh, you'll be coming back for more. We guarantee it. Say hello to comeback sauce. As the story goes, Mississippi comeback sauce is legendary and has no clear originator. It's been said that in the 1930s and 40s, comeback sauce, a dipping sauce / salad dressing consisting of ketchup, mayonnaise, chili sauce, grated yellow onion, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, paprika, black pepper, salt, oil, and lemon juice, was invented in Mississippi, either by one of two Greek-owned restaurants, either the Mayflower Cafe or the Rotisserie restaurant. This sauce became a Southern staple, and we're sure it tastes better in Mississippi, but you can certainly make your own at home and see what all the fuss is about. Some critics have labeled this flavorful condiment a love child between a Thousand Island dressing and remoulade. You can be the judge when you make your own. So you're probably wondering how the heck you enjoy this stuff. Well, it's commonly used on burgers, sandwiches, salads, wraps, fries, wings, and it really is good on just about anything. When you make your own comeback sauce, experiment with different ratios till you find a flavor that suits your taste. A very basic recipe is in the description below as a place to start. Are there any special condiments that originated in your city, state, or country that are household staples? Let us know in the comments because we'd love to feature it on our next episode. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to come back for more condiment fun, my friends.